I think if you don't lean into inclusion, I think you're out of business. It's that simple. My name is Heather Stewart, and I am the General Director of Global Media and Marketing Services at General Motors. One of the most simple things, but frankly constructive things that we did as a company is we sat down with many diverse-owned media owners to really try to understand what their challenges were, what the obstacles that they were facing, and how we could be a better partner. I think it's great that we have some companies really leading the way here, but it's going to take every single one of us rowing in the same direction to change the systemic issues that face minority businesses and minority media in general. So at General Motors, we launched our campaign last year, Everybody In. It's really about advancing a safer world for all. And when you think about advancing a safer world for all, you have to have inclusion, because if you don't feel included, you don't feel safe. We have a long storied history and relationship with YouTube and Google. And it became apparent to me, just follow your audience. What are people watching, right? The younger audience is the most multicultural group in the world. And they set trends, they set expectations for brands, they challenge us. And, their viewing of YouTube content is unparalleled. So I think that was the first signal, and we as marketers always pay attention to signals. But the other thing is, in those conversations with many of their diverse-owned media partners, many of them have successful platforms on YouTube, right? I think that we found that there's a lot of robust consumer information that can be learned from YouTube. And what are the behaviors of consumers? What is the sentiment that can be gleaned from YouTube? There's creators that are all over YouTube that can connect with audiences that we want to reach. So there's many layers to the YouTube relationship. And, I think the other side of it is that I think that, platforms can do a lot to help amplify all the other work that's going on. We need our big partners like Google and YouTube to be on the journey together and to be part of Everybody In for inclusion.